Hey, hello everyone. So hey, how's it going, guys? It's your boy Yesterday Gaming. Well, if you're new to this channel, guys, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe. So in this brand new store, guys, I got a brand new iPhone 12. Okay, so it says iPhone unavailable. Okay, try again in 4 minutes. Alright, so today I'm gonna show you how you're gonna fix this problem. Okay, so basically it's an iPhone 12, as I said. As you can see. Alright, so first of all, I'm gonna show you how you're gonna how we're gonna restore this thing. Alright, so to first of all, we gotta boot into how to enter the recovery mode, okay, or the DFU mode. Alright, so yeah. So what you wanna do is you want to turn off this iPhone. Alright, so first of all, to enter that, so you see this volume up and down. So first you'll have to press volume up. Okay, press on volume up one time, volume down. Okay, press both, like press volume up and then down, and then keep pressing the power button. So you have to hold the power button, okay, until you see the Apple logo. Alright, oh shit, I messed it up, so I'm gonna have to retry. Okay, as you can see, it did not work. Alright, so make sure that you have connected a USB cable. Alright, use the original USB cable that charge the iPhone, and just plug it into your USB 3 or USB 2, USB, I don't know what port, whatever. Okay, let's redo this. So as you can see, guys, so if I here it still says iPhone unavailable, try in 4 minutes or whatever. So I'm gonna press volume up and then volume down, and then all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hold this, keep holding the power button. Okay, keep holding until it powers off. Okay, it will power off, so all you gotta do is to just keep holding it. Okay, keep holding the power button until you see this. Okay, until you see this right here, support apple.com/iPhone restore. Okay, so now just leave it like this, and now onto your PC just launch iTunes. Okay, and this should bring up like this. Alright, so if this does not pop up, all you gotta do is press shift key on your keyboard. Okay, alright, so what I'm gonna do, I've already downloaded this, the firmware, which is to go to this website, IPSWME, and then click on IPS, this one, and yeah, choose iPhone, close this, and now select your iPhone device. So mine is iPhone 12. Alright, and as you can see, this is a signed IPSW signed firmware. So all you have to just grab the first one. So as you can see, as per the newer date. Alright, so I've already downloaded that. So right here I'm gonna click restore and update. Alright, so you're gonna hit next, agree, continue. Should be able to see the serial number right here, the ECID. Okay, now depending on however this thing will download the firmware, and depending on how your internet connection and whatnot. So it's just gonna at least take probably like 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so all you have to do is to do not disconnect, just leave the iPhone right here, and yeah, so it's very easy.